Hello everyone, welcome to Tigers. Hope you guys are doing good. In today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing the ride-on which Luvlap have sent me across for, and also will show you how to assemble the same. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. This is how the ride-on looks like. Comes in two colors, which is blue and pink. This product is made in China and the model number is mentioned here. Here are some of the features that it comes with. To mention, colorful light, music and horn button, safety design, and storage beneath the seat. This is the price of the ride-on and it is suitable for kids who are between the age of 1.5 years or 3 years. The instructions to assemble are mentioned on the box itself. You can pause and have a look at it. This ride-on is pretty easy to assemble. Just follow my video for the same. If you're thinking of buying one for your kid, the link is mentioned in the description below. So that's a wrap. If you have liked the video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such videos in future. Until the next one, take care, bye bye.